Good morning. I'm your Dr. K.P. Sharma, professor. We have been discussing about Just a Minute program, 60 seconds program. This is the last episode related to the same jam session. Here, please concentrate only on the topic. Of course, you do not know what is the topic which is going to be given by the time you are going to be interviewed. But prior to that, you need to prepare perfectly. Out of that perfection, you will be able to speak whatever the topic which is going to be given there by the time interview is going to be conducted. So you need to focus yourselves on some of the topics. The topic which is going to be delivered from you should have wonderful, what we call, information. So just like that, when you start thinking, you need to have wonderful preparation. For that, some of the topics I'm going to give, and keep in your mind and prepare for them perfectly. Television. The role of television in the public, how it is going to be used, and you have to give the definition also. And next topic is trees. Generally, every one of us know trees are the wonderful laboratories in the world. With that, you can start. And you have to speak about trees. And education system. And here you have to know one thing by the time you are going to speak about if education system is the topic which is given, you have to know that you should not criticize the present education system. But you have to say your idealism. If the education system is going to be like this, it would be wonderful. Now the present education system is good. It can be made better. Like that you have to talk. Otherwise it becomes bitter. So we have to be careful. And then one more topic I'm going to give you, a role model. Suppose. Please do not think that these are only the examples, topics which are going to be given there. No. Just I'm going to give examples. Role model. Then what is said to be a role model? You have to define role model. And who is your role model? So in such a way, you have to go ahead with the topic. This is one of the wonderful topics. And one more topic. Politics. You can take a statesman, not general political leaders and all that, statesmen. They are considered to be so great indeed. Such a type of any politician all the time in the world or in our country, India. You take one person and speak about the great qualities with which he could serve the country. Just like that. Another topic. Favorite movie. By the time we are going to say about movies, of course, most of the people like it. But do not go for the movies which are said to be somewhat not accepted. I think, all of that type of things and all that. Particularly, favorite movie in the sense, it should be what we call the public need to have a kind of suggestion and information. So public must be like this so that they can change their lifestyle in the form of developing the country in such a way. Suppose a patriotic movie has come. Excellent it is. Then focus about such movies. Excellent it is. And we know the topics, generally the topics related to mobiles, and this and all. There are a number of what we call uses, means it is highly useful, the mobile, but disadvantages are also there with it. So that can also be focused. You can prepare massively. And apart from that, corruption. Never focus on the corrupted leaders. Some politicians are corrupted. Never focus on them. But you have to speak about corruption, how to eradicate corruption, how to remove corruption from our society. That you can speak about. And you can say about a memorable day. There are a number of days generally that can be remembered by each and every one of us. Say a memorable day. That you can speak about, that you can choose your results. And apart from that, a hobby. What's your hobby? As a result of your hobby, how are you going to get benefited? That should also be focused. Or else, one more topic, any other new article you have written or somebody has written which you read it and you are inspired by it, just like that. Okay? In such a way, there are a number of topics you can prepare by the time you are going to attend for any kind of interview. Just to focus yourself. Stand before the mirror and then just speak about the topic. You can understand your drawbacks, correct yourselves, so that you can be a very good communicator. That is 60 seconds program. It is stated to be 1 minute program. You will be a successful person. Thank you. Have a great time always.